Hello, this is Paul Milligan for IC Show TV at IC 2017. I'm joined today by Gordon Dutch from Peerless-AV. Welcome, Gordon.
Hi, Paul.
Looking around the stand and this in Hall 12, video walls are everywhere, it seems. Has that become a big part of your business in the last 2 to 3 years?
Yeah, absolutely. Video wall, obviously you can see from the data, has grown right across the developed European market and many others. We've been at the forefront of that, obviously, with our quick release serviceable product. And here at the show, we've released a number of new products and reset the bar again with that video wall. We've also seen a lot of changes in that market, especially in the large scale, large format with narrow pitch LED coming in. So that's been something else we've had to work very hard. Unlike the video wall, where mainly you're dealing with VESA, you have a lot of speciality mounting to go with the LED systems because they're all different. So it's exciting times, difficult for some, which makes it a challenge, but it's good for us.
Sure. I mean, do video walls pose a particular challenge for a mounts manufacturer? Are there special things that are inside the products that maybe aren't in other products that you provide?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, as I mentioned, the quick release is really the key to it, because there's two parts to the success of Peerless in video wall. One is the speed of install, because the guys can literally install it probably around 20% of the time of most of the other video wall products. There's a huge saving. There's a lot of pressure on people to get in and get out of an installation overnight, if it's a transportation hub or an airport or a retail store or fast food. So all these are key. The second problem is obviously if they have an issue with the manufacturer's screens, they need to be able to get the product down, make sure they can get it out, service it and back up. So they're the two areas we really focus on at Peerless.
I mean, is the speed of install and the ease of install still a really key requirement for you guys?
Oh, 100%, yeah. That's really what's allowed us to lead the market. We developed a new technology last year in terms of the app that we were able to supply installers. They can literally put one screw in the wall, mount the first unit, it tells them where to put the second unit, etc. So it's very, very quick to install.
Sure. I mean, there's quite a few examples on your stand alone that I've seen of your kind of outdoor signage that you guys do, and you're quite big in that market. How have you seen that market grow, and what are the challenges that kind of particular product gives you in terms of the extremes of weather that you have to cope with?
Yeah, no, absolutely. So we're a little bit unusual as a mount manufacturer. We still actually manufacture a large amount of our product in-house. We have a very special e-coating system similar to that they use on automobiles. So we actually guarantee our outdoor mounts for over 5 years. Obviously, corrosion is a significant issue. You don't want a very large and heavy product that's been engineered to stay on the wall. You don't want to have that problem where it obviously can come down. So those are the issues. Also, in some of the markets where you've had natural disasters, we make sure we test wind rated and even seismic rated to make sure that we don't have a problem even in an earthquake. So we go to a very long way with our UL testing to make sure our mounts are safe and ready for purpose.
Have you seen the outdoor market grow for you guys? Is it a big
Massively, yeah. The outdoor market is really, I foresee more and more of these installations. People are looking to drive their brand awareness. If you look at what's happened in the US, we're nowhere near the penetration that you have of obviously video wall content advertising that they have in the US. So I still believe there's a long way to go in EMEA.
And where are the sort of hotspots for kind of outdoor business for you?
Well, obviously retail and shopping malls is a big one. We foresee more and more airports, leisure parks, etc. are all really good areas for us in terms of the deployment of screens and large-scale video wall.
I mean, you guys look after Europe, Middle East and Africa. Are there bits of that are looking at outdoor signage more than others?
Unbelievable, yeah. I mean, especially in Dubai, areas out in the Middle East, the money that they're spending on the shopping malls and the projects out there is very exciting. But most of the developed markets are progressing quite nicely, but certainly in the Middle East we see a huge amount of uptake in the latest technology. They're very much early adopters. They want the biggest, the baddest, the bestest straight away. So that great work, for us, and it's great.
Fantastic. It all sounds like a very positive note.
It is. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you, Gordon.
Cheers. Okay.